Hi everyone, this is Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. Thank you all the well-wishers for your support. I equally welcome constructive criticisms, which gives a different perspective to the subject. One of my friend called recently and asked what to paint and what type of painting should we do as a beginner. If you are also stuck with the same question, then this video is for you. Let's begin. There are plenty of subjects to work on. It totally depends on each individual. But 8 years of my experience in art teaching, I found out that certain subjects are easy to start with and some are difficult. I would say almost everyone might have tried some portraits in their initial days of art practice. But portraiture is a bit difficult subject to start with. To get the likeliness of the model in our painting, we may have to spend more hours in work. Initially, we won't be having that much patience. So always safe to start with something small and easy. Here, I would recommend top 5 easy subjects for beginner artists. That would be freehand drawings, abstracts, floral paintings, sceneries, and some still lifes. These subjects also have difficult levels, so you begin with simple ones. Today, we are going to see some of these category paintings from my collection. Freehand drawings are the ones we make from our imagination. Doodling, scribbling, freehand designs, etc. falls under this category. You may need a paper and a pencil for the practice. Instead of pencil, you can also use pens, sketch pens, color pencils, markers, etc. Literally, whatever we use for sketching. Just start sketching whatever comes in your mind. Let it be lines, curves, circles, any shapes or patterns. If you want, you can fill colors in that. Have you seen mehendi designs or any kind of designs? You can try that also. There is no compulsion that you should make this particular design in such a way only. So just have fun. Doodling is one of the stress busters. You can practice it at any time, like during a phone call or while waiting in a queue, etc. There is a concept called art therapy. If you want to learn more about it, let me know in the comment section. It is the need of the hour, which teaches you about the art practices for stress relief. The second category of art subject is abstracts. All may be familiar with this type of art. You get to see it somewhat everywhere. Laymen call it a meaningless painting. I would say that to make abstracts, you should be equally skilled like that of making a portrait. If you are not getting proper color combination, you cannot convince the audience. Here you have complete freedom to make whatever you want. Place colors as per your liking. Isn't it fun? So try some abstracts too. Florals are the third category. Here you can try with floral designs or any simple flowers. We learned some in my previous video. Those who have not seen yet, check the link in the description box. This is one of my favorite subjects too. Choose some simple flowers in the beginning. It is said that roses are the most complex flower to make. Next is scenery. We will get lot of subcategories under this. Cityscape, landscape, seascape and many more. A simple scenery is always good to start with. Nobody will judge you on how you made a tree or a hut. But yes, this perspective matters. So many details in one scenery is time consuming. So avoid that too in the beginning. Our fifth category of subject for beginner artists are still life. It is also known as object drawing. Example, you can make objects like spoon, glass, cup, shoes, basket, fruits, vegetables, etc. Beginners can refer pictures of these objects to paint. After some time, you can set your own still life and paint that by seeing it live. Setting a still life is a part of learning art. I'll make a separate video for that. Many more points to share about these topics. Because of time limit, I'm concluding here. We'll take up all these topics separately in our upcoming videos. Hope this one helped you to select your subject as a beginner artist. If you want to see more videos like this, comment in the description box and also mention about the topic you want me to make. Thank you for watching and keep painting.